Hey guys, it's Chris here with Shadetree America. I have a item here to feature for you guys. It's an Ozark Trail from Walmart cot, foldable cot here. Something that if you're going to be camping or something, you don't want to lay on the ground, you can use this. You could use it for, in the cases we have family over, some guests, and we're using it for an extra bed. Something that you guys might be interested in, you know, camping and stuff. We still are in July, towards the end of it, so there's still time to camp out there. And if you guys are looking for something, maybe this is something you're interested in. Weight capacity on this is 300 pounds. It's made out of cloth. The laying area, you know, the surface there is cloth. Pipes are, unfortunately, I think they're cheap metal. The joints are all plastic that holds together. Got tin rivets in there. And let's check out the measurements here. We're looking at a little over 25 inches to width-wise. You got about right around 6 inches, a little over 6 inches deep. And this is how much it stores at, guys. This isn't fold out, of course. So you got about 20 inches up. So you could put this portable. Doesn't take up a lot of room. You can put it in a closet. You can put it in your underneath your bed. Whatever you need to do to store it. Have nephews, they were trying it out. They said they slept really well on it. So I'm not going to try it myself. Just something that I'm not going to try. I don't think I could be able to use it at my size. But we're going to get it out here. We'll fold it out here. And we'll see what it looks like. Show you guys how it folds out. And let you guys see for yourself. Alright guys, I brought you back here. We're going to unfold this. We're going to fold it out. We're going to get some measurements here and show you how easy it is to unfold. First off, when you're going to get it, you're going to get it where you got a handle on the one side. You also have two sets of Velcro straps, one on each end here to hold this solid. What you want to do is you're just going to fold it down. You're going to lay it with your top edge down. You're going to fold up, you're going to come up here, you're going to have a center pipe here. You have 5 sets of legs here to hold this in place. Just fold it, unfold it there, unroll it basically. Legs will come out, they snap. Anyway, that's how it is. Just fold it over. Attaches 4 on each side. 1 on each end. Like I said, 300-pound capacity. Like thin pipe here, hooked with plastic. You're not going to have a big guy on it like me. You're going to have somebody normal size. 300-pound capacity, like I said. You got lengthwise 6'4" from end to end pipe. So you're looking at 6'2". 6'3", probably something like that. 24 inches from pipe to pipe on the inside. So it's enough room for somebody small, somebody not as tall as me. Folding it up is not too bad. I've already done this a few times. Doing this, just flip it upside down. There's a button on the leg. Comes down like that. This side folds up. Everything's going to fold up to that third leg here with the strap on it. Push button over here. Folds over. Keep your fingers out of these spots. They will pinch. And then just fold it up like that. Simple, easy peasy, about 15 seconds. So, a nephew slept on it. They thought they liked it. They said it was a really nice sleep. Weighs probably about a good 5 pounds, 6 pounds. You're not going to use this for a backpacking expedition, but if you're going to be camping somewhere, you're going to have family over, like I said, it's going to be a snap, especially small enough that you can slide into a closet or underneath your bed. So that is the Ozark Trail bed, the cot, I guess you want to call it. Leave comments down below. Keep an eye out for other stuff that we have. We filmed a few other things. Keep an eye on it, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, and God bless.